This video is about solving system of linear equations. When we say system of linear equations, it consists of two or more equations with the same variables. The goal is to find the values of variable that will satisfy all the equations. So there are different methods in solving system of equations, and one is by graphing. So here you're going to plot each equation in a graph and find the point or points where the lines intersect. Say, for example, we have the system y equals negative x plus 4 and y equals 2x plus 1. So all you have to do is to graph each equation. So let's start with the first one. So this one is in the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept, or it is the point where the graph crosses the y-axis, and m is the slope. So here, our b is 4, meaning the graph crosses the y-axis at 4. And then the slope here is negative 1. So from 4, remember slope is rise over run. So slope equals rise over run. And that negative 1 can be negative 1 over 1. So from 4, move down 1 unit. And positive 1 means move to the right 1 unit. And then connect the 2 points using a line. Okay, so this is the graph of y equals negative x plus 4. Next is the second equation, y equals 2x plus 1. The y-intercept is 1, so the graph crosses the y-axis at 1. The slope is 2, so the slope is 2, slope equals 2, it is understood that the denominator is 1. So move up 2 unit and to the right 1 unit. So from 1, move up 2 units and to the right 1 unit, then connect it with a line. Okay. Then locate for the intersection of the two graphs. So in this case, the intersection is at 1, 3. So the solution is x equals 1 and y is equal to 3. If you are going to substitute x equals 1 and y equals 3, okay, it will make the two equations true. Okay, this is how solving system of equations by graphing. Uh, okay, what if the given system is not in slope-intercept form? Okay, so say for example, you have 6x plus 3y equals 3. So you can change this to slope intercept form before you graph it, or you can use the intercepts, or you can find the x and y intercepts before you graph. So let's say we are going to find the x and y intercepts. So all you have to do is first, you let x equals 0 to solve the y intercept. 6 times 0 plus 3y equals 3. 6 times 0 is 0. 3y equals 3 over 3 over 3, or divide both sides by 3. Then your y is 1. So the y-intercept is at 0, 1. And to solve for the x-intercept, we will just let y equals 0 and solve for x. So we have 6x plus 3 times 0 equals 3. So 6x equals 3, and then divide both sides by x. sorry, divide both side by 6, and 3/6 is 1/2. So the x-intercept is at 1/2, 0. Then you are going to plot these 2 points. We have 0, 1, and 1/2, 0. So 1/2 is here. Okay, then you are going to connect this with a line. Okay. Next is the second one. Let's connect this one with a line. Okay, then the second equation, we have negative 2 x plus 4y. So first, you let x equals 0 to solve for the y-intercept. Okay, negative 2 times 0 plus 4y equals negative 6. So we have 4y equals negative 6. Divide both sides by 4. So y is equal to negative 3 over 2, or negative 1 1/2. So 0, negative 3 over 2. Then solve for the um, x-intercept. We let y equals 0 and solve for x. Negative 2x plus 4 times 0 equals negative 6. Negative 2x equals negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. Our x now is positive 3. So the x-intercept is at 3, 0. Then plot, we have 0, negative 3 over 2, or negative 1 1/2. And then 3, 0. Okay, then let's connect it with a line. Okay. Okay. So the two lines intersect at this point. If your graph is perfect, then it will intersect at 1, negative 1. Okay, just like this. Okay, so for the solution of the system of equations, the the x is equal to positive 1 and the y is equal to negative 1. And you can recheck it by substituting these values into the equations in the system. So once this is correct, it will make all the equations true in the system. Okay, so now you can practice on your own. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, so you can post, for those who want to try, you can post your answer in the comment section.